You finding Easter eggs? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, did it break? You got it?
Huh?
You got it?
Yeah.
Can you fix it, or you want Mommy to fix it?
I'll push it.
You'll fix it?
Yeah.
Here. There's one, bub. There you go. Woohoo!
Mommy! Oh, boy.
Cool.
Is there any more?
No, I don't know.
You got 24?
Yeah.
You had 12 and Buddy had 12. Oh, boy.
Help.
Here's a heart attack.
Help.
Help.
He got more than I did.
You and Sissy's baskets both broke.
I don't know.
Did you have fun?
Mommy has more.
Uh-oh. Did you have fun?
I see one. I found another Easter egg.
Cool. You need help?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we do it again inside of the backyard?